ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين.
The NSPT has developed a comprehensive assessment model. In this system, each and every training activity is closed.
Honorable Dr. Janardhan Gandhi, Chief Instructor, distinguished guests, faculty of SMC and MCMC.
Very quickly, I believe there will be more of a recall that business in here or here over. So I also would not take too much of your time. I congratulate all of you for successful completion. Members of the faculty, members of the administration, National Institute of Management, the participants of the 26th Senior Management course, the National Institute of Management, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu Alaikum.